We have a problem with our cedar trees dying. This is happening to most of the cedars in our area. Our winters haven't been extremely cold and summers have been hot. Is there anything you can suggest to get rid of this problem? Even arborists seem at a loss for suggestions. So this is Barb from Windsor, Ontario.
Oh, wow.
So how about that?
Yeah.
So what are we thinking here?
Well, you know, from the picture, I've noticed that looks like the ones that are not doing well are a little bit smaller than the rest of the hedge that she's got going on. And I'm wondering if there's a tree behind it. I'm wondering if it's in the root system of that tree is, you know, kind of mixing with the hedge in the end of it there. And she might, you know, she talked about being hot. Well, they don't like to be dry. And if that tree is taking away, if she's putting moisture on it and that tree is taking away more moisture, she might need to water that end a little bit more. Of course, you know, at some point it might, you know, she might have to replace those. Yeah. And she might want to try something different that'll take a little bit drier situation and sunny in that spot.
Yeah, cedar trees, yeah, they need a lot of moisture, you know, especially if you're going through drought-like conditions. So yeah, it looks like it's competition there, you know, from the tree that's behind it, you know, from what we can tell from the picture.
From the picture.
But yeah, and we noticed something else too. You know, this usually happens when you plant a monoculture, you know, of plant material. So what do you think about that? Yeah. Yeah,
that's why I said if I replaced them, if they actually, you know, did not survive, I would consider putting something else there.
Sure, sure. Yeah, because this could happen.
Yeah, it could happen again.
Yeah, so. Yeah, Ms. Barb, yeah, watering, you know, definitely during drought-like conditions will help. I don't know if those cedar trees can recover, you know, from that, but I would definitely look at some more material, plant material that is. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.